Welcome to the Jabra headquarters. We are in Copenhagen, Denmark, the world's capital of sound engineering. Follow me. Behind these doors, we're going to find multiple facilities and rooms, and I will let you decide where to start the tour. I know, it kind of looks like a torture chamber, doesn't it? But what we have here is actually what we call a radio frequency anechoic chamber. This is the place where we test our headsets and the wireless Bluetooth connect. For a company that specializes in sound, you can actually say that it's a bit odd that we house one of the quietest places on Earth. Welcome to our anechoic chamber. In here, we have an environment that creates almost complete silence, making it the perfect testing ground for us to test the microphones that needs to be able to capture your voice and only your voice. So, I hope that you've enjoyed the tour of our facilities today. And I also hope that the next time you're on a call or you're listening to music on your commute or while in the gym, that you'll think about the incredible Jabra engineering that's been put into delivering a solution that gives world-class sound for calls and music.